Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today I bought a bike rack and hold up to 2 bikes. You can hold the fat bikes. The tires are 5 inches wide right here. You can also tilt it back, snap it right here, or snap in the upright position right here. So this is rated over 200 pounds, so my e-bikes weigh about 65 pounds each. And it's also rated for RV. So this is a pretty heavy duty bike rack for under 300 bucks US. I'm gonna put it together here. I'm going to use this on my RV this summer, so I'm going to post my review how it is at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Nuts and bolts came out of this box. All the tools you need is sitting right here. Step 1 here, take your bolt, 85 millimeters long, takes a 24 millimeter wrench or 15/16 down, slide in here, and put the bolt here. Can't move it, so it's too tight. Back it off. Try that. Yep, that's good. So step 2, it's this one and 2 of these bolts right here. Takes a 19 millimeter wrench. So the next step is put your bike rails in here. So there's 2 bolts in underneath there. Right here. You need a nut and a washer. Takes a 13 mil wrench, which is roughly where the front wheel will go, 28 inches. I'm going to tighten it up right there. I might have to fine tune it later. Raise this up here. Tighten her up here. Still going the opposite way. The next step, this slides right into a hole back here underneath there, so there's a plastic washer here. Slide that in. The other plastic washer here. This washer here is slotted, so it's gonna match this groove right here. Right there, and you put this bolt in here. I don't want it too loose, so I'll tighten it back a little bit more. Yeah, that's enough to the holes, you don't want to fall down. That sounds about right. Still too tight. Got these 2 bolts here. I forgot the instructions here. You go right in here and slide this nut down underneath the hole here. And left over 2 of these. Slide right in here. Tighten her up there. Yeah, this is a pretty good feature about these RV rated hitches. These are threaded right in here, and this is your pin that goes right through your hitch. Tighten it up really tight, so that tightens that really tight in your hitch, so it won't move. I'm sticking in the camper here. Line up the hole. Put the pin in here. Back out. Oh, that's solid. That doesn't move in there at all. Raise this up here. Put it down. Locks in position right here. You want to go all the way down to load the bikes. Like that. Easier to load on. Front wheel here. This is adjustable here, so I'm going to put her down there against the tire, slap her in. And we'll bring it up here. On there. There's 400 pounds there right here. That's pretty good. Shake the camper. There's no movement in there at all. Alright, I'm gonna take these bikes off here. Raise up on here. Push this back. And push it down. And then raise it up out of the way. Make sure your bars are not forward so you'll hit your camper. Yeah, that's pretty good bike rack. I like it. Put it just like that. And just like that so I don't catch it when I go around my camper. If you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.